Hi, everybody, and welcome back. So I wanted to make a baked potato series. I'm absolutely in love with baked potatoes. One of my dream jobs or things to do would to be open up a baked potato food truck and call it Spuds R Us, and basically do that as like a dream job. But for now, I just kind of wanted to create a baked potato series so you guys can see kind of different ideas on baked potatoes, and ideas of kind of what to do with the baked potato. So this one, we're doing a chicken baked potato. This was kind of later at night, so I microwaved the baked potato, just so I didn't have to wait the 45, 50 minutes for it to cook in the oven. Typically, you're going to want to cook them in the oven, and I'll eventually show you kind of how long that takes and what to do. But for now, we're just going to do it this way until the next video. And so you're gonna want to open up your baked potato. I put cheese down as a base layer. I added sour cream, and then you're gonna want to start adding your chicken. You don't have to do cheese at the base first. Y'all just know I love cheese, so I always add extra in. Sour cream, not like a huge fan of it. It is what it is, but I always just add it in to add like that kind of creamy kind of texture when you're gonna go mix your baked potato. And then you're gonna add your protein. So obviously I did chicken for this one. There's a bunch of different proteins you can use, and you'll kind of see that through the videos. But once you're done putting the chicken on top, go ahead and add more cheese. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add hot sauce. I add hot sauce to almost like all my baked potatoes. But this is just Frank's Red Hot. So add however much you want on it. I do like a decent amount. And then the seasonings I use, you'll see in a second, it's salt, pepper, and garlic salt. And that's it for this baked potato. It's a pretty easy meal, and it's actually pretty filling. But yeah, go ahead, like, subscribe, comment, tell me what baked potatoes I should do next. I believe on Sunday I'm gonna do a pork or beef one. But yeah, you'll see that video too. Thank you for watching.